Hello, I find this in the mail yesterday. It's a buy cheap video again. So inside here should be a clock. Actually says here fashion watches. Well, I don't know if I buy a clock because I moved out from my old apartment and I need a clock, and I bought one from eBay, and well, I bought one that I want to have like a design clock made by me. I see this all these other people just buying this kind of clocks and making them like to their taste or something like that. So in the package we will find this, which is like exactly like in the photo and nothing else. So this should be the clock. Kind of loose. I don't know if it's like that or this should be the main, the gear, and this should be the needles. Obviously they are like out of shape. So I need to put like this like straight. I think it goes first hours, after that the minutes, and the seconds will be at the last point. So let's say this is 12 o'clock. Okay. The second one, the minutes. I'm just going to put it not for, I just want to put it to see how it is, how big it is, and things like that. I mean, if it works, of course. Well, actually, this goes over, and the secondary has like a needle there that you need to put it on. Okay, and then I did that. Okay, let's put the battery inside and see how it works. Kinda like it. Okay, so I have this battery here, and I need to put it like so, and it works. It's alive. I need to say this is kind of like loose. But it works. And I like the movement of this. It's not like a continuous movement. Okay, I'm gonna take this out and measure from point to point. This is like a 19 centimeters, again 18 centimeters diameter. Okay, so this is the clock on the eBay page where I bought it from, and the title sounds like this: new battery operated clock, movement mechanism, DIY repair parts, Spindle, hot sale, and it cost me $0.99, which it's a very good price for what I got. It was sent to me by Shanghai Box, which has a pretty good rating, and of course it was free. Now on the description, condition 100% brand new and high quality, simple and stylish design, great for repairing, replacing, or making a clock. In my case, making a clock, of course. Material plastic and aluminium. Plastic, I think it will be the case, the clock with the mechanism, and aluminium, I know it's are the needles. So host size 69 for 55 for 16, and approximately millimeters, and hour size will be like 80 millimeters, minute size 130 millimeters, and second size 129 millimeters. Spindle size 10 millimeters. I don't know, I think it's in middle here, I don't know what that. Power bar and AA battery not included, quantity 1 set, and I think this is like a serial number or something like a production number. Now mine came like this, and you need to put all of these together and will result this clock. So this is kind of like everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.